world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Modella again, and I'm really excited, like extremely excited to be back. I cannot even like express my heartfelt right now. If you're stopping by for the first time, it's your favorite girl Modella. I create content about my lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and a lot more, so stay tuned and let's get into the video of today. Yes, I landed in South Africa, and the first thing that I saw was the incorrect name. The incorrect name that the chauffeur that was sent to pick me up. I'm like, okay, what's happening here? And I went to the hotel to join others, and the first person that came to check up on me was Beauty. My G Beauty came around. Afterwards, Doi came. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my room. I'm just trying to like settle in and all of that. I am really stressed, like a lot has happened today, and my face looks really stressed. I want to go and shower right now. I'm so tired. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys like a tour. So this is like the view of the room. I already opened the window, like it's so beautiful. I love the fact that the sun is like directed to my room. And yes, this is like a part that has like the living area. Love that mirror there, like the glass is so beautiful. And yeah, this cute little space. Look at that lamp, oh my god. And I mean, we have two robes. Yeah, the second one is for wood though. I don't know. Yeah, I came with like 3 suitcases. This is one. I'm already unboxing like gradually, but not like fully yet. And yes, this is my box. The second one, this one, I brought this in for my friend, and that was like my hand luggage. I didn't really vlog like my trip. I was really stressed. And yes, let me take you guys to the bathroom. Ooh, oh my god, it's so beautiful though. Like it's simple and beautiful. It doesn't have too much going on. Yeah, okay, that's me. Let me flaunt myself. I mean, I'm cute though. Yeah, so that's it. So guys, this is my space for like the next couple of weeks. You guys are gonna be seeing me here. I'm gonna like try to vlog the remaining part of the trip, even if I've missed a lot. I mean, better late than what? Never. Okay, yes. So you guys should stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. I mean, why haven't you subscribed? So I was just really exhausted, and I really needed to shower at this point. And I went to shower. Beauty was in my room, and I heard them just talking. I'm like, what's happening here? So when I was done and I got out, she was like, oh, if I brought flour for her and myself. I'm like, okay, thank you.
A few moments later.
I don't make the rules.
Apparently.
Okay. So what are you styling me with?
We are getting you a mesh shirt.
Okay.
Pants.
Okay.
It's something very simple. It's just like street.
Guys, my fans, my lovers, thanks so much for reaching out to me. I got a lot of DM from fans, people reaching out asking to check up on me if I was really fine, like during the period while I was still in Nigeria. And I'm like, oh my god, some love like this. Thank you so much. Thanks for reaching out. Thanks for the love. It is really appreciated by your favorite girl. Next day, I created some content around past 1. Me and the girls, my friends, like we stepped out, went to this location. I think it's One and Only. Yeah, I think that's the name. I actually did not vlog our food, but I mean, we had something really nice. I was really exhausted. Like I didn't do so much. I don't know why. So I just went to bed, and that was it. The next day, I prepare for another content day, and today's content, like we're doing street style. Okay, sis. Today's street style or nothing. You know the energy. I really wanted to like go outside there to take pictures. So Doyin took these pictures and she did like an amazing job. I made some videos on the streets too. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys. So guys, today is content day and I'm in this black boots with these denim pants and this pink jacket, sorry, sweater. Yes, so accessories from Apet Jewelries, you know, killing it in this look. I mean, look at that drip, guys. After the whole content and everything, guys, I had a meeting for later that night. I just got to my bed. I'm like, okay, let me just sit down a bit and rest, guys.
One eternity later.
Hey loves, I know my face looks really rough right now, but time for bed. It's bedtime right now. Like, I mean, I had a meeting this night and I slept off. What happened was that, like, I went to Doin's room and like we're just having like a chit chat and we had dinner over, and I just said, okay, let me come for my meeting, and I just lay down on my bed, and the next thing I'm just waking up right now, sadly. Yeah, so I just want to like take off my makeup right now, shower, and then go sleep properly. Yeah. Yeah, so today I was thinking of going to the gym today. So I called my friend that always goes to the gym. Like, okay, let's go to the gym together. I got dressed, I went downstairs, and the next thing he said was that, oh, I'm sorry, I'm done for the day. I'm like, so will I go to the gym alone? So I ended up not going, so I just went to grab breakfast, and I got this almond croissant and this Nutella cookies with hot chocolates. Yeah, so we didn't eat at the restaurants. We're here. What did you get?
What did I get? Nutella cookies and hot chocolate.
Okay. Beauty, how about you? I think you ate them.
A smoked salmon bagel.
But you like salmon so much. Guys, the hotel actually set up their Christmas tree and they're actually like setting the mood and the tone for Christmas. I mean, this is like my favorite. Aside from my birth month, Christmas is my favorite time of the year. Like, I mean, I love Christmas. I'm that Christmas baby. Oh my god. When I saw the Christmas tree, I'm like, okay, get me lit. I'm ready for this. I'm ready for Christmas. And yes, myself and my friends like dressed up. We're like, okay, let's go out. Let's go to the mall. Like, cause we've just been creating content. I've just been indoors. We're like, okay, today let's step out. We actually like checked around other stores. I mean, window shop. You know the energy. And we bought this matching shade, which is so beautiful. At some point, like when we're done, we're like really hungry, so we just went to like a restaurant down the mall to get food. Hey loves, how are you guys doing? So it's still the 2nd of December and Doya and I went to shoot some content on the streets, and I didn't do so much there because the weather today was really harsh, was really windy. Like, you know how it is when the sun is scorching so hard and it's still windy. Like, I felt as if though the wind was gonna like sweep me off. That was how bad it was, but I still like managed through to still create my content because they're like kind of important. Like, I was dressed for it. I mean, yeah, so I did that and I'm back to my room now. Beauty and doing beauties, we're just gisting because we had activities planned out, but today's weather cannot even accommodate all the things that we have to do today. So more like we're gonna like change our schedule. We wanted to like go to the beach tomorrow to take pictures and all of that, but tomorrow is Saturday and we all know how the beach and everywhere is always like crowded during the weekend. So we want something special, private, and we've not booked earlier. The other place we saw, One and Only, it said maybe you're supposed to like book ahead. Probably it's sold out. We don't know. We're still working on something, but if we get something, we're gonna like create content tomorrow. Can't wait for you guys to see the content and all of that. Yeah, so basically right now I'm just in my room. I'm in this robe and I'm just chilling. I think I'll just like take a nap and just get something to eat, and yeah, that is it basically for now. So I just said let me update you guys on what's happening. So guys, I woke up to like the news. Should I say news? Or I was informed that at this point we have to merge, so 2 people per 1 room. God, it was so crazy, but it was actually cool that they merged me with somebody that I'm really cool with. So they merged me with Beauty, and it is time to pack. Like, it's so tiring packing when I'm not ready to actually like leave SA. My room is upstairs and hers is like downstairs. So here are my stuffs, and I have to pack everything before it is 2 p.m. And I mean, I just opened my box. I'm already fitting in some things. Then my shoes, I have to get all of this out of here. Like, guys, there's a lot to be done, but sis, you've got this. Yes, I've got this. And my face is actually still rough. God, it's really, really crazy, because I mean, this month's period dealt to me, but regardless, we move. So I'm actually like doing a garage content today, like just pictures in the garage, and you know, the garage vibe. And yes, look at what I'm wearing, guys. At some point, Doi was trying to give me off to like a husband. So there was this man standing, and I was like, I like you, my friend. So we just, you like me. She was telling him I like him, like how? And yeah, afterwards we had to like go dress up and go to the beach. Okay, so this is what the beach looks like. And I had like this picture in mind to take, this waterfall picture. Guys, if you know how it is right now in South Africa, it is so cold. It is very cold. Hey guys, so I'm shivering. my friend said she has never seen a person like me before. I mean, like, I really just like the content. Giving me my credits, that baby girl, like, you did try. Let me use the word, let me use like the pidgin English. But I mean, I like the picture, and I'm not kind of person like, if I want to do something, if it's something I'm capable of doing, I mean, in my power, I'll do it. So yes, I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. Period. Yes. Afterwards, some fans came to take pictures with us. And yes, that is it for like a few days in my life in South Africa. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be bringing more videos to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your friends, people that you think would love this kind of content. And if there are stuff you like to see on this channel, put it down below in the comment section. And trust your favorite girl to bring it to you. I love you guys, and I'm really excited to be back and to be vlogging on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe once again. Love you guys. See you on the next video. Bye.